Welcome to my YouTube channel, Education, Innovation, Leadership. In this channel, I share the vital educational resources and other useful information to inspire school and college students and parents to excel in education, innovation, leadership, and community service. Subscribe to my channel to watch the already uploaded interesting videos on college admission process, college scholarships, parental support to children's education, students' leadership, excelling in school grades, language learning and development, and improving your writing skills. Watch my new series of videos about the tools and tips for learning English language. I will be sharing my long years of experience in teaching English grammar, reading, writing, speaking, listening, and conversation in public schools and colleges in and out of the United States of America. As many of you think, learning a new language is not that challenging if you know how and follow the right path. Fortunately, there are ample tools and effective strategies available to guide you through language learning. From interactive online apps, engaging media, and immersive experiences, you can acquire skills in all areas of language skills. In this series of videos, I will highlight some important tools and tips to help you navigate your language learning successfully. Let me share my pleasant experience of how I learned to acquire knowledge in English language in my early days. As a non-native English speaker, I struggled to put together simple English sentences, and I was afraid to speak English in front of others because I thought they would make fun of me. I can tell you confidently that becoming fluent in English, even becoming an English teacher in schools and colleges, is absolutely available with dedication and consistent effort. My journey wasn't an inborn talent that I had, but about countless hours of practice, embracing mistakes as learning opportunities, and pursuing my goal with determination and perseverance. If I, as a non-native speaker, could reach this point through hard work and determination, imagine what you can accomplish. Believe in your ability to learn, commit to the process, and you too can unlock the world of opportunities that English language skills offer. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you can continue to watch interesting videos in the future.